Meaning of gigahertz.
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 Gigahertz. Gigahertz is a unit used to measure the frequency of electronic signals. Specifically, it measures the number of cycles per second in a given signal. 1 Hz equals 1 cycle per second, so 1 gigahertz equals 1 billion cycles per second. This unit is commonly used to describe the clock speed of computer processors, with higher gigahertz values indicating faster processing speeds. It's important to note that a high gigahertz value doesn't necessarily mean better performance, as other factors such as architecture and cache size can also impact a processor's overall performance.